Hello friends, welcome to my channel Beginners Learner's Guide. Today I am going to tell you about the grep and egrep command, which is a text parser command. So first of all, what is the grep? The grep command, which stands for global regular expression print, which processes text line by line and print any lines which match the specific patterns. So that is basically the search kind of pattern, which will be searching the matching text, right? So let's move ahead with the command. So today I have taken party window. So first of all we'll do who am I, then host name, and then pwt to know which type I mean. Now you probably may think, then why in every videos I am doing this who am I, host name, pwt. The reason is because every time you cannot see this prompt in the corporate world. If you can see, it is fine, but most of the time you'll not get this prompt in the corporate world. So corporate world, to know who am I, mean which is the user and which is the directory you are in, which is the host name, you have to do this first before you run any command, so that you can confirm yourself that is a particular host you have logged in. And most of the time you'll see only dollar sign in the corporate world, or say hash sign, like this one, either that one or this one. You'll see, you will not be able to see this one most of the times. First grep, then space dash dash version to get the version of it. We are in version 2.20. Then grep space dash dash help to get to know the help files, whatever the comments as a help. And to get the manual of it, you can definitely do man space grep to get full details, right? So keep pressing on spacebar, and then if you wanna quit, just q to quit. First, what are the files we have? tr, we wanna pick this file, cat space text file. Now this is inside. Now we wanna see, say, one word called wolf. We'll search for wolf word. For that we'll do grep wolf and then the file name, which is text file, right? So you can see it has been given as color code. This is the wolf word here, here, here. So all this word has been given as a color code. It found out actually all the words inside that particular file, right? Then now you have this file which is having wolf 1,000 times repeatedly, right? Now to know how many times that word has been repeated, then minus c, then word is wolf, and then the file name, which is text file. It will give you how many times it has been repeated, right? So let's move on, clear the screen. Now we'll do grep minus I, the keyword file. What will happen? It will search for the keyword and ignore the case sensitive words. Grep minus wolf. This is giving these words. Now what if I'm making this one capital? It is giving capital only, right? Now we'll do grep minus I, which will give us the search for keyword ignoring the case sensitive. Case sensitive, I mean, if it is capital letter or say small letter, it will give me everything regardless of everything, right? So now we'll do grep minus I keyword file, which will give me the search for the keyword ignoring the case sensitive word. Say in the file we have wolf, right? Now if this wolf word is big, w is capital or small, regardless of that, it will find the word and give me the result. So for that we'll do the command grep minus I, then the keyword say wolf, and then the file name, which is text file. So it will give you uppercase, lowercase, everything, right? See, lowercase is also there, uppercase is also there. It will give you everything regardless of uppercase or lowercase. That's the concept of it. Now next will be n, grep minus n, which will display the matched lines and their line numbers. So now we'll do grep, then minus n, then keyword same wolf, and then file name text file, which is giving me what? In line number 1 we are having wolf, in 3 we have wolf. It matches all the line numbers and give us the output like that, wherever we have wolf in which line and which line number, right? Everything it is giving. Moving on next. Now next one will be minus v, which will give you the display everything but the keyword it will be omitted. So let's try it. We'll do grep, then minus v, then wolf, and then text file. So it will not show you anything because wolf will be omitted from the particular line, right? Which means I will get all the lines that do not match with wolf, because it has every line it has wolf, it is not showing any line to me, right? Now if any line is not having wolf, it will be giving me the display over here. Because it is having all the lines wolf, it is not giving me any display over here, right? Let's do with same command, do vi over here. What will happen? It will give you the all output which is not having any wolf under the line. Those who are having wolf, almost same output similarly. So these two commands we can use. Now next will be the combine of the keyword file using pipes and awk and print $1, which will search for the keyword and then only give you the first field. So let's do it. Now we'll do that one with grep vi same, and then we'll pipe it with awk with combination, and then quote single braces print, then $1 first only it will give, enter. It is not giving anything, right? Now let's combine with cut command also. It will be same command, then we'll pipe it with cut, then minus c1 with the combination of 1 2 3 character we wanna pick. So press enter. It is not giving any output because it's not having any combined file like that over here. Now I have cleared my screen and moving on to the next one, which is search for the keyword and then only give first field. So for that we'll do ls minus l, then pipe, then grep, and then say desktop. Now you can see it is the ls minus l output which has been grabbed. Means I just searched desktop word, it will be finding this desktop, right? So let's do ls minus l to better understanding it. So desktop is here, right? This one. So if I do this one, make small d over here, it will not gonna give me any output, because you can see over here that d is the uppercase. So I have to give d in uppercase, only then the output will be given. So if I do d over here now, it will give me the output like this, right? Or else you can do, you can ignore the uppercase or lowercase by giving grep, then minus I option. If you can give over here, it will be ignoring that. Let's say I'm putting d over here lowercase, it will be ignoring, but it will give you the output. See, this way I did not get an output, but if I give minus I, it will be ignoring uppercase or lowercase, so it is giving me the output over here, right? Now let's try to use egrep with minus I option so that I can find two words for search. So for that we'll do egrep and then do minus I to ignore the uppercase or lowercase, then the keyword say wolf from that text file, and pipe it with another word, say boy, and then close the quotation, and then give the file name, which is the text file, right? Press enter. So you'll get all the keywords wolf and boy, right? All the lines which is starting with that. So all the lines that matched with wolf and the boy word, it has been given as output right over here. So that's how we are using grep commands. Now try all these commands on your own, because whatever I've shown over here, it's a almost everyday job on your actual workplace. It will be enough for you as of now. If you want more, you definitely do man space grep and then go other comments also. So that's all folks for today. If you like my video, please do like it, share it, comment it, and don't forget to press the bell button so that whenever I post a new video over here, you'll get the notification of it immediately. Thank you so much for being with me till the end of the video with patience. Thank you for your love and support.